Morning children, Sai Ram. Hope you are well at your home children. Children, are you studying at home? Have you done questions related to the previous video? Children, you have to do. You are sitting at home, you have to learn also. Otherwise, you will forget everything. Okay? Children, one more thing I am telling to you is that because of coronavirus, we are at home. So, children, you wash your hands with any soap for 20 minutes. Okay, children, you have to take care of yours and your family members too. Okay, children. So today we are going to start with our topic that is estimation. Understood, class? Our topic is estimation. Today we will learn about this topic. Estimation means just doing a round off, or just yours, you can say it is just a rough calculation. Okay, it is just a rough calculation of any number. See, somebody told you what is 22 plus 33. So you say you do 20 plus 30, you say 50, around 50. Okay, you say around, it is 50. You don't say it is actual 50, you say it is around 50. So estimation means just doing any rough calculation of any number or anything. Okay, and see, the actual calculation will be what? This is the rough calculation. If somebody asks that what is 22 plus 33, we say it is 50. But if somebody asks what is the actual calculation, so 2 plus 3 will be 5. 2 plus 3 will be again 5. Understood? This is the actual value of this sum, and 50 is the round off value of this sum. Understood? I hope you all have understood. Estimation, again I am repeating, estimation is just a rough calculation of any number. Okay, here we go. See, here is a boy. What he is doing? He's just putting a hand in his head because he is fed up of. Again he is counting again. So see, when somebody tell us just count the jars, gems inside the jars, what we do? We just say, we just give him the answer related to the rough calculation, that here may be 170 piece inside. Okay, that is a rough calculation. That is only known as estimation. Just assuming something, that it may be this much. Okay, that is a rough calculation of any number. So today we are going to cover our three topics, that is nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousand. It means you are having any value, you have to find it nearest tens value, near, or you can say you have to round it off to its nearest tens place. Next is nearest hundred, you will estimate or you will do round off to the nearest hundreds. Third is nearest thousand, you will do the round off to the nearest thousand place. Okay class, we will start with our nearest tens. See what you have to do in this. See, I am taking one number is 75. Okay, number is 75, which is tens place. This is ones, this is tens. So there will be change in tens place. Okay, and who will decide that? The number which is written behind. This number will decide whether this 7 will change or not. Okay, now see how it will decide. Let's see. Okay, see, if the number behind is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the place value which we are going to find, either it is tens value, 100 value or 1000 value, that number will be given plus 1. Again I am repeating. See, if number is 75, We have to find the place value of tens place. Round off to the tens place. This is ones, this is tens. Okay. So which number will decide that? The number which is written behind. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If the strong number is given 5, 6, 7, if the behind number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I am repeating again 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what will happen? The number which is in tens place will get 1. That is, it will become 8. Okay. And the rest of the places will become 0. So it will become 80. Understood? Now, see, if we are talking about the weak numbers means if number written here is behind is 1, we have to change this tens place. This is the tens place, 1's tens, 7 is the tens place. Here is 1 written behind. So what will happen? There will be no change in the tens place. It will remain 7 only. Okay, and it is 1, so 1 will become 0. Rest other numbers will become 0 when there is no change in the finding place or round off place of tens, 100, 1000. So that number will remain as it is, and the number which is written behind will become 0. What they will become? 0. So today understood, if you just think one thing, if number is written 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so you will add 1 to the number plus 1. If it is written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you will not change any of the place. The position which we are finding will remain as it is, and the rest of the numbers will become 0, 0. It means the behind numbers will become 0. Understood? So here we will start with our first topic. Our first topic is just doing estimate nearest tens. You have to find the place value for the nearest tens. Okay children, see, we have to round off to the nearest tens. Okay, what we will do then? It is given 33. Which is tens place? Ones, this is tens. This is tens place, this is ones place. There will be change in tens place. Okay, I have told you if the number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If the number behind is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, there will be no change in the place. It will remain as it is, and we will put 0 behind that number. Okay. See, so what will be our answers? Our answer will be, we are having 33. We have to round it to the nearest tens. So it will become either 30 or either 40, because we are telling about tens place. I have already told you, if the number written behind is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so there will be no change in place of tens. Okay, it will remain as it is. It means it will remain 3, and the rest of the numbers will be 0. So what will be our answer for this? Our answer for this will be the tens value of 33. The rounding of 33 will be, nearest tens will be 30. Understood? See, now we will do our next one. This is our 86. This is ones place, this is tens place. Understood? This is ones place and this is tens place. See, this is 6, this is 6, and this is 8. We have to change this place. Who will decide whether 8 will change or not? This 6 will decide. Okay, so either it will become 80 or it will become 90, because we are talking about tens place. So 80, either it will be 80 or 90. This will decided by this number 6. I have already told you, if the number written behind of the finding number is 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, 9. So what will happen? We will add 1 to this tens place. So 8 plus 1 will be 9, and rest of the numbers will become 0. So our answers will be what? Our answer will be 86 will be round off to which number? this is 80 and this is 90. 86 will be round off to the 90 because here behind this number, behind the tens place, this is the tens place 8, behind the number is 6 and it is greater, so we will add 1 to this tens place. Here we will add 1, so 8 plus 1 will be 9 and the behind numbers will be 0. I hope you all have understood. Now we will go for our next topic. See, again we are having round to tens. So children, see, this is 76 given. Here is all, we have to change the tens place. We have to change the tens place. So what will happen? See, 76 is given. So there will be, who will decide whether 7 will change or not? This 6 will decide. I have already told you, if there is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so there will be no change in the tens place or 100 place or 1000 place. But here is 6, so there will be change in the tens place. It will either it will become 70 or it will become 80. Okay, so but here is 6, here is 6, so what will happen? We will add 1 to this 7. So 7 plus 1 will be 8 and the rest number behind 7 is, we will put it as 0. So our answer will be what? 76 will be rounded off to 80. Understood? Now I am telling you the next one. We will cover the next topic, that is round off each number to the nearest 100. Here we are having 357. Now tell me which place is 100. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100 place. Ones, tens, 100. This is the 100 place. So 357, either it will become 300 or it will become 400. Okay. Now who will decide this, ki whether it will change or not? This 5 will decide this. We have to find the place of third 3 na, it is having 100 place, so that will be decided by this number 5. So I have already told you, if the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so it will, we will add 1 to which number? We will add 1 to the place which we are finding. It is having 3 there, so 3 will be added to 1, so it will become 4 and 2 digits are given back, so it will become 0. So this 357 will be rounded off to the nearest, 357 will be rounded off to the nearest 100 will be what? It will be 400. Understood, class? One more again I am telling you, second one. Now we are having our next is 992. Okay, now in 100 place we are having ones, tens, 100. This is our 100 place. It will change or not? Who will decide that? This will be decided by this number, that is 9. So it will either this number will become 900 because we are talking about 100, or either it will become 1000. Okay, now see, it is already given here 9. This is 9 here and we have to change this place. So who will decide it change or not? This number will decide. Which number? This 9 will decide. It is 9. I have already told you, when the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there will, we will add 1 to the that place which we are finding. It means we will add 1 to the 100 place. So 9 will become what? 9 plus 1 will be 10. So it will be 9 plus 1 will be 10 and 2 digits are here. So we have put 2 zeros here. So this will be round off. This will be round off to 992. This will be round off to the nearest 100. It will become 1000. Understood? It will become 1000. Now we will do the next one. Next is 745. So we are changing the 100 place. So either it will become 700 or 800. And now who will decide this? This will be decided by this 4. I have already told you the number which the place which we are going to change, it will be decided by the number which is written behind of that number. This is the 100 place, and this will decide by the 4 number ki whether 7 will change or not. So I have already told you, if there is 0, 4, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so what will happen? There will be no change in its that place which we are going to round off, okay, and the rest of the numbers will replace by 0. So this will be round off to the 700. Nearest rounding off 745 to the nearest 100 is 700. Understood? I hope you all have got it. We will go for the next one. Here we are changing, we are doing the round off again. See, this is 730 plus 998. This is our question. We have to round off to the nearest 100. So what we will do, this is the 100 place. Who will decide it will change or not? This 3 will decide, okay. So see, I have already told you, if it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, there will be no change in its 100 place or 10s place, whatever place is given. So it will remain 7 as it is, and this 3 will become 0 and again 0, because this is 2 place behind it, so it will become 0, okay. Now we will go for the next one, okay. See, we are changing ones, tens, 100. So who will decide this will change or not? This 9 will decide. So this is 9. So I have already told you, if the number written behind the rounding off number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so it will be, what happened? 1 will be added to the number which we are doing round off, okay. So 9 will be become, this 9 will become 10, okay. This will become 10, and here are 2 digits 9 and 8, that will become 0, 0, other place will become 0. Now in the question we are given here plus sign, so we will add this number 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 7 is 7, 1 ka 1, okay. Understood class? So answer will be 1700. Understood? Now see, class, we will do the next one. See, this is given here 578 multiplied by 161. You have to follow the rule as I have told you. No change, whatever the sign is given to you. Understood? See, this is, we are changing the 100 place. This is ones, tens, ones, tens, and this is 100. 5 is the 100 place. Who will decide the 5 will change or not? This 1 will decide. Understood? This 7 will decide. This is 7, okay. So this is greater than, 7 is greater than 5. 4. It will be, if it is, if the numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so 1 will be added to the number which we are doing round off. It means the 100 place will be added by 1. So 5 plus 1 will be 6, and the rest of the numbers will become 0, 0, okay. So it will become 600. Now our second number is 161. Where is 100 place? Here in this one, okay. Now see what will happen. Our number is 161, okay. So here is given already 6 is given, so 6 is greater. So what will happen? We will add 1 to this number. So 1 will become 2, and rest of the numbers will become 0. Understood? So this will become 600, this will become 200. As we have already seen in the question that we have to multiply. So 600 multiplied 200 will be what? 600 multiplied 200 will be what? See, you just do the multiplication of these two numbers. 6 2 ja 12. Okay, and count the zeros. 1 2 3 4. How many zeros? 4 zeros. So 1 2 3 4. Answer will be 120000. Understood? Understood. I hope you all have understood my point. Now we will go for the next one. Again, the question is 578. This is the same question we have done. See, in this question 578 multiply 161. Okay, this is the same question. 578 is rounded off to 600 because either 578 will become 500 or it will become 600, but it will go to 600. Why? Because 7 is greater here, so 5 will be added by one number. So 5, we will add 1 to the 100 place, so 5 plus 1 will be 6 and rest of the number will be replaced by 0. Understood? So it will become 600. Now see, our next number is here 161 is rounded off to 200 because in 100 place is 1 and in tens place is 6. Because the behind number is greater, so we will add 1 to that number. So it will become 200. Then we will multiply both of them. The answer we will get 120000. Understood? We will go for the next question. Here we have to just round off to the nearest tens and 100. Our first question is add this. Add 59 and 38. See, the actual value will be, we don't have to find the actual value. We have to just round off 59 and 38. Okay. Now who will decide this? Which is the tens place? This is the tens place. And who will decide that 5 will change or not? This 9. Yes, if 9 is greater, the 5 will become, we will add 1 to this, it will become 6 and rest of the number will become 0. Okay. Now here is 38. In next question, see, this is the 38. Here the one's tens place is 3 and one's place is 8. It is greater, the 30 will become, we will add 1 to the tens place. 3 will become 4. Rest of the numbers will become 0. Now we will add because the sign given in the question is add. So we are adding. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 100 will be the answer. Answer will be 100. Okay. Now we are doing our next topic, that is the last topic. Last topic of this is rounding off to the nearest 1000. We are changing the 1000 place. It is given 5290. Okay, I am taking first digit first. This is the ones, tens, 100 and this is the 1000 place, red one. Okay, so who will decide this will change or not? This 2 will decide. I have already told you that 2 is less 0 1 2 3 4, so there will be no change in the other numbers and they will become 0. Okay, so 5 will be as it is 5 and there will be no change, so it means they will become 0 0 0. Understood? It will become 5000. Understood? Same way we are having 17986. Okay, which is the tens place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. This is the 1000 place. Sorry, 1000 place I am asking. 1000. So what will happen? What will happen? See, 9 is here greater. Yes or no? So 1 will be added. If number is greater, so 1 will be added to that place which we are finding. So 7 will become 8. It will become 1 8 and the rest of the numbers will become 0 1 0 2 0 and 3 0. Okay, and our first question was also, answer was, round off was 5000. So what will happen now? We will add this number because addition sign is given in question. It will become 0 again 0 again 0. 8 plus 5 is 13. Here will be 3. 1 will be carry. 1 1 is 2. So our answer will be 23000. Okay, understood? Yes, you can see in the question also it is given 23000. Okay. Now we will go for the next one. Our next question is 5673. This one. Next is 4363. We are doing round off. See, it is given 5673. Who will decide the 10,000 place? This is the 1,000 place. Who will decide it will change or not? This 6 number will decide. Because 6 is greater, so what will happen? What will happen? Tell me. 6 is greater number, so 1 will be added to 5. 5 will become 6, and rest of the numbers will become 0. Understood? This will become 6,000. Okay. Now we will do the, we are in the question it is given that you have to do the minus. See, it is given 4363. So who will decide that 4 will change or not? This 3 will decide. 3 is already small, so there will be no change in 4 place. The 4 will become as it is, 4000. Okay. Now we will add this 6,000 and this 4,000, because we have done round off to the nearest 1,000. So we are going to add this number and we are going to add this number. So 6,000 plus 4,000 will be, it will be, yes, no, in question, sorry, in question we have to do minus. So 6,000 minus 4,000 will be what? It will be 2,000. When you will minus 6,000 was our round off, next was 4,000. When we will do minus, it will become 2,000. Understood? I hope you all have understood. You have all have got what I am telling. You have to just understand the two things, that if the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the 1 will be added to that place which we are finding, whether it is tens place, 100 place or 1,000, and rest of the numbers will become 0. If the number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, there will be no change in that place in which we are finding, whether it is tens place, 100 place or 1,000 place. That will remain as it is, and rest of the numbers will become 0. Understood? Children, this is the homework which we all have to do. See, estimate each of the following using general rule. You have to use the general rule. General rule is nothing, either you can do round off to the nearest 100, but in A and B part you do round off to the nearest 100. In C and D part you do round off to the nearest 1,000 place. Okay, whatever question is asking, that place you have to change according to the question. Okay, understood? If it is given estimate the following product using general rule, here in question number 1 there are three digit in both the numbers, you take it as rounding off to the nearest 100. In this question, take nearest 100. Whatever question is given to you, you all have to do in your notebook, rough notebook. We are going to see whether you are done or not. Children, we are providing you what? Children, we are providing you worksheet. You all have to do that worksheet work. Okay, children, we are providing you the worksheet. There you have to write your name, class, roll number, write any old roll number, and you have to fill the worksheet there itself. Put your finger there, your keypad will be open, write your name, write your old roll number, write your section, whether it is 6th A, 6th B, then do the next, agla karne ke baad, then worksheet will be arrived. There will be so many questions. You have to write the questions, and what you have to do, you have to write answer of that question there only. Understood? I hope you all have understood, and you have to submit that worksheet. I am going to check, and you have to do your homework also in rough notebook. Okay, this is your responsibility, that you have to work from home. You have to learn something from home. Okay, now we will meet in our next class. Hope you all have understood our today's topic. You will practice. I know you will get what we have learned today. Okay.